is going on? It's Gia here, and I'm back with another epic unboxing. Uh-oh, it looks like we have an Amazon box. Ooh, I wonder what's in here. Let's see. Let's get into this unboxing. That's right, we got the Amazon Echo right here. Okay. Bam! Amazon Echo. So let's unbox the actual box. I told you guys I would be doing way more unboxings. So 2018 is gonna kind of be the same. There's going to be some unboxings. And there's gonna be some special giveaways. Ooh, I like that packaging. I like how the inside is all black. I'm gonna keep this. Ooh, look at that. Slick and sexy. Ooh. See how you get out of this. Just pull it out like that. And then here goes your charging cord. Here goes Echo. Ask Alexa. Here goes your charging block, cord. Here goes the actual Echo. So that's what it looks like. You know, it's Bluetooth, it's Wi-Fi. It's got a powerful 360-degree angle speakers, so everything's immersive. I'm gonna set this up, and I'll do some previews, reviews, and whatnot of it soon. But if you would like to see me do more unboxings, please let me know in the description box below. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload more videos. And yeah, follow me on my social media. Links are in the description box below. Deuces.